How to activate Lycamobile My New SIM and Prepay Plan. Activating your new SIM and prepay plan is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to get started. 1. Insert your SIM card. Carefully insert your new SIM card into your mobile phone, ensuring it's properly placed in the SIM card slot. 2. Power on your device. Turn on your mobile phone. It may take a moment for your phone to recognize the new SIM card. 3. Activation SMS. Shortly after your phone recognizes the SIM card, you will receive an activation SMS. This message will confirm the activation of your new SIM. Additionally, you will receive an SMS containing your mobile number, MSID, and plan activation. 4. Restart your phone. It's a good practice to restart your phone after receiving the activation SMS. This helps ensure that all services are working correctly and your phone is fully operational. 5. Check your plan. To verify that your prepay plan is active and that you have the services you need, you can either dial a short code 131# or use your Lycamobile app or log in to your My Lyca account on our website.
Please call customer services to instantly activate your mobile web service. Call free on 322 from your Lycamobile or 0207 132 0322 from any other phone.